Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to share longer, public content on Facebook, as the traditional notes feature has been retired. While the old notes are gone, you still have excellent options to publish detailed thoughts, stories, or updates. We'll explore how to leverage standard posts and Facebook page articles to reach a broad audience with your valuable content. Get ready to learn some effective strategies for sharing your message widely. To begin sharing your detailed content, simply open Facebook and start a new post, either from your personal profile or a dedicated Facebook page. Don't hesitate to write out your complete message. There's ample space for several paragraphs. Before publishing, always double-check that your post's privacy is set to public. This ensures anyone on Facebook, and even those without an account, can view your valuable contribution. Making your longer posts visually appealing and easy to read is key. Utilize formatting options like bolding important phrases or using bullet points for lists. Incorporate high-quality photos or videos to capture attention and illustrate your points effectively. You can also embed links to external websites or other Facebook content, providing additional value and driving traffic where you need it. These elements significantly boost engagement. Once your detailed post is ready, take a final look at the audience selector and confirm it's set to public. Then, hit that Publish button. To further expand your reach, consider sharing your new post to relevant Facebook groups or adding it to your Facebook story. Actively respond to comments and questions to encourage discussion and build a strong community around your shared content. This helps your message resonate with many people.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.